How
You
are
guys are a partner with CrowdStrike?
Doing what?
You're a partner with CrowdStrike?
We are a distribution.
Distribution.
Yeah. So
What is your role as a distribution?
our role is distribution. So we manage a relationship in between the vendor and our partner community. So assuming if you are an end user, you purchase through a partner, we manage a relationship with our partner community and all of the other vendors, so all security vendors.
So if we have problem with, like, what let's just say our partner, we purchase with it, you guys will be making sure the relationship is tight.
Yeah.
Okay,
like
that's good.
hypothetically, if whoever you were purchasing with, you were happy for whatever reason, right? Or you wanted another partner to partner with, we own all those relationships, so we'd be happy to introduce you to somebody who either is in your neck of the woods, specializes in your market, whatever it is, we help manage.
What if you have problem maybe, or like your representative or stuff like that, you can change that, you guys work on that too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We
You
can
guys
make the
are
introduction. Yeah.
Okay.
So you ever need somebody, call us. We'll find you a good partner.
Yeah, and then also I like that you guys have some accessories over here. Is that something you can get for free?
Absolutely, take it. Yeah.
Yeah,
whatever
I like.
You want. Yes, we've got so many. So whatever you guys need, take.
Okay, I'll take a couple, and then umbrella.
Yeah.
Oh man, that would be. I don't know if I'm just gonna fit my bag or not.
Travel with, yeah. I know. They're nice to have, but they're hefty.
Yeah, they're heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna try that, and then a hat. I always take a hat.
Yes,
there you go. I'm suiting up right now.
Yeah, right? Awesome.
What is this one though?
This is like, I think a lot of people put cords for their bags in here. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
yeah, I'll just take this hand sanitizer.
There you go.
That's it.
Awesome.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Drinking.
Yeah, it's not really well. Scout is a back-end technology. Okay. Can you give me a demo? We'll talk about it.
This is a beef burger?
Beef.
Okay.
Impossible meat.
That's, what is that one?
Impossible meat.
Oh, impossible meat?
Yep.
Okay. Let me just leave my, I don't know if I'm gonna have to get another spoon. Once the spoon goes down, that's it. You know where I can put this one?
Yes, right here.
Appreciate it. I'm gonna take the actual burger. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. We have so many food right now.
Hey, Paul. But, yeah.
Just looking around the noodles and stuff. On the noodle, is it like a pork or a chicken, or you can put shrimp? Okay, and then tofu. That's it.
And chicken or vegetable?
Chicken. Okay, thank you. I gotta sit down for this. This is some decent, good food over here. gonna add onions. Let's add eggs too. Why not? Okay, let's sit down now. Anyone sitting here? Okay, let me see. Thank you. Huh? Oh, this lady over here, her name is there. I just asked her, she had like a couple. I got one. I don't know why I got it because it's too heavy. Yeah, I do. I asked too much questions and they want to give me something and I'm like, I'll take it, but I'm flying Spirit, so I cannot carry a lot of stuff. So I gotta stop taking it.